Subscribe to my channel to see the latest unboxing videos to your mobile.
So this is a package with the invoice. You can see the Phillips HR 1459/00. This package is from Flipkart. This is a simple package. You can see. Now let's unbox it. This is a Philips product. So this is a package from Philips. You can see nothing inside the box. Let's keep it aside. You can see the front part. This is 300-watt bit operated motor mix 5 plus turbo speed. The nicely designed cupcakes in the front side, and the side you can see the information given by the Philips this product. Some of the information are it is made in China and it is the MRP is 2295. It is available in 1800. In the back side you can see some pictures and features. Okay, you can see, and in the other side some other language like Japanese and English is written, and the bottom part nothing, and the top part the service center names. So without wasting the time, so let's get started. Remove this cardboard. You can see this is bitter and there's a cleaning hood provided inside. Let's cut this tape. Each has two pairs. You can see this is a bitter and a cleaning hook for making dough and whipping the creams. These are the two pairs. Inside the box, we will get a warranty card and a user manual. This is a user manual with various of languages. You can read it as per your choice. Now move to the main unit. This is a motor with a 300 wattage blender, nicely packed with bubble wrap. Let's quickly open it. You can see it is a handle provided, nicely designed. So these are the buttons. You can see. Let's zoom in. So this is a turbo button and this is a speed limit or increasing button. You can increase or decrease. This is a ejection tool. You can exit this hooks. In the front part, this is a two holes. You have to insert this hooks and the product information. It wire is 5 meter with hook is provided. Now keep it inside this motor. Now see what is inside the box. This is a warranty card with 2 years. You have to do manually or register online. So this is the products. You have accessories given by this the Phillips. Now let's install these hooks. The sound will come. You have to sure that it is fitted nicely. Okay, you are ready. For exiting this hooks, just press the ejection button to exit it. Okay, remember, do not insert two types of hooks, it will damage the product. Now let's move to the noise level test. Before you start this, you have to ensure that do not use hooks for this sound test. The left side is minimum and right side is maximum. You can see the 65 is maximum without hooks. Now let's attach the hooks and let's check the noise level. Now we are ready. Press the reset button and let's get started. Now move to the turbo speed. You can see the 64 or 65 is the maximum noise level provided this blender, as it is written in the user manual that it is a 65 decibel. So you can see that. Let's exert it. You can see that the lower level is 24 and highest level is 66. Okay, so thanks. Please subscribe my video and like my video.